friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 15.6-inch portable monitor PRO MP161. So friend, MSI has unveiled the PRO MP161, a portable monitor that offers high performance and innovation. So friend, this monitor features an anti-glare IPS panel, an ultra slim body with a thickness of only 1.08 cm and weight of only 0.75 kg, and friend comes with its minimalistic and sleek design. It can complement any setting, and it also has two built-in speakers despite its compact size, and comes with protective sleeve for easy portability. And friend, it provides flexibility and convenience for professionals who need to work remotely or on the go, and it can serve as secondary screen for a laptop or mirror the display of a smartphone, enabling better communication and information sharing anytime and anywhere. And this portable monitor is perfect for a variety of sceneries, such as checking business data while traveling, watching videos on a train, making important decisions on a flight, and previewing recording content or playing games with friends during breaks. And when it offers enhanced productivity and enjoyment, making it valuable tool for those who require portable and reliable monitors. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.